Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Succulent flower from Cricut Design Space. Okay, and I'm also going to show you how to distress it the way I do it. I'm going to make it look like this. I use a gray card base, or you can use a green, or like a teal. Or you can use yellow and blue and get this effect. And I use Distress ink. I use these two for this. And these two for this. This one I just distressed with the ink. This one I sprayed with water. And it looks a little bit more smooth, but I like both. Okay, so first what I do is I distress them. First I do the blue. If you use this color, you can just use the pink. You don't have to do both colors. And the little ones, I just dab them. Okay, then you can do the red. Now you can take a bone folder, or I have this Sizzix thing. There's a bone folder, and you can curl them this way or this way before you do it, or you can do it after. Now I'm gonna put the red on the edges. You can always go back and put more blue. You can do it like this, or you can just put more on the edges, like that. Okay, so you just keep going around. Alright. So make sure to put your lids back on. And now we're going to put it together. Okay, this is the bottom piece. Mine's a little torn. That's okay, because this is the bottom. I'm going to use this glue because it sticks and it dries quickly. You can use aqua glue, aqua glue made by Tombow, or this is multi glue and it's made by Tombow. It's very sticky, so you better be ready. Put some glue on here. You're gonna, usually when Cricut has these little cutouts in this little hole, that means that you're gonna go like this. I'm gonna stick a little glue right there so I can fix my boo-boo. Okay, just make sure those are even. Okay, then you can let that dry. Then the next piece is this. I'm going to put my little dotted glue here. And then I'm going to offset it just a little bit. Stick it on there. And I'm going to put another dot for the next piece. The next one, kind of offset it a little bit. Then the next. Little one. And then another tiny one. There you go. Ooh. And then what I do is I put the glue in a circle around here. Ooh. And then I'm going to make sure it's going to offset. Take it like this and I push down in the middle, get it stuck to there, and then you can curve it up, and you can make these, you know, however you want. You can curve them up, you can curve them under, but there you have it. Again, this is just ink. So is this, and this is just ink on the tips. This is the ink with the water. I just sprayed it, the little water bottle. This is the ink and the water with this colored, this teal colored paper. And this is the gray paper with the blue and the yellow. And this is just the ink and the teal paper. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know. This is the Fiskars bone folder I got for like $5.99 at the most at Michael's. I also got this one at Michael's. This curves the big flowers. I got these at Michael's. They came in a little pack of 4. There's an orange one. And I got a starter kit, which came with this. This is the little blender. And then this is the multi-liquid glue. This stuff sets up really quickly. I suggest if you want it to be a little bit more pliable, use the Tombow aqua glue. This is my first and favorite, but these move around when you're trying to piece them, so I found this a little better, or something similar. Thank you. If you have any questions, just let me know.